take a deep breath as the story unfolds, because this is the legend of a tale untold.
We gather here today in this Cathedral of Pines, a beautifully unique place, to witness the joining of two beautiful and unique people. And all the paths that you guys have chosen, all the friends you have met, and the family that have loved and supported you to this day is truly wondrous. So we celebrate. We celebrate the magic that is love. Are there any objections?
Kathryn, today, surrounded by loved ones and 30-year-old pine trees, I choose you to be my wife from this day until our last. I promise to always love you, to support you, and to embolden you to live your wildest dreams. I will be there for you whenever and wherever you need me, as your husband, as your rock, but also as your stepladder, there to reach those items that are high up on the shelf, on the top shelf, sometimes the middle shelf too.
Today, surrounded by family and friends, I choose you. You are the love I sought, the support I need, and the future I want. You are the love my mother promised, and I doubted existed. Thankfully, Ellen knew us individually and saw our potential as a couple. You are the support that helped me pursue my dreams of earning a PhD. You are the only person with whom I would want to raise a family.
To use math terminology, you are my reciprocal. The derivative of my love for you is 0, because it will always be constant. Come what may, I promise to always ensure that our foundation is built with strong triangles. And my feelings for you are like pie, never ending.
You have taught me that two people joined together with respect, trust, and open communication are stronger together than alone. I promise to bring you coffee each morning, mostly, and to give you a kiss each night. I promise to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. Today, I am proud to become your wife and spend the rest of my life loving you. Read it.
I think you gotta get through it. We'll wait.
Today is a beautiful day. Today the world is a beautiful place. This wonderful company has witnessed the pledging of your love through word and tokens. So by the powers vested in me in this great state of Wisconsin, it's my honor to pronounce you husband and wife.
join me in raising a glass to the incredible Kate and Tai Tai.